Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. No need to worry, but if there's a doctor on board, if they could head up to the cockpit, that'd be great. Hello again, ladies and gentlemen, it's your captain. If there's a priest on board, could they head up front, please? Any priests? No? It's your captain again. I hate to keep bugging you guys, but could a mechanic make their way to the cockpit, please? Okay, now in your gravest. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting reports that my last request came in a little funny. I need a therapist. A therapist to the cockpit, please. Okay, Captain, again. I don't want to alarm anyone. No need to worry, everything's fine. But if any of you have cell phones, now might be a good time to call your families. Just ignore that no cell phones rule for now.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Dude, you gotta wake up!
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I just have word from the tower. If you could fasten your seatbelts, we are ready for takeoff. And please enjoy our in-flight movie.